Hi my friends, today I'm in Madania, on the road to the cemetery of Madania, and I'm going to film you this video in order to show you this esplanade here. It's here in Madania, one of the newly built esplanades. It has been built recently and finished. So this is the esplanade of a Fidae, and there is a replica. It's near the one of Madania's main roundabouts, and this is where they installed a replica of the Martyrs Memorial, because the Martyrs Memorial is in fact located here in the territory of this municipality. So the city hall is on the right, and this is the replica of the Martyrs Memorial, because it's a landmark, a symbol of this neighborhood. This is a plaque, Sahat al-Fidae, or the Fidae Square, and this is a plaque of the names of some of Algeria's martyrs, the martyrs that died for the independence of Algeria. And there is a name there that catches your attention. It's Yveton Fernand Raymond. So Fernand Raymond Yveton is in fact a French Pied Noir who died alongside four other Algerians for the independence of Algeria. So everyone who died for the independence of Algeria, be they Algerian or of European origin, is celebrated and counted among the martyrs of our independence war. So you can see the square. It was finished in 2021, and it's in front of that school, Fatima Ghazel. It's an elementary school, and just look at its beautiful architecture, traditional Moorish architecture or Muslim architecture. And well, this is one of the places. There is a playground over there. In fact, this square here was built in the place of to replace a building, an apartment building, just like that one over there, an old apartment building that was demolished, and its occupants were relocated. I guess that even that building over there is going to be demolished, so that its inhabitants or occupants, be relocated in better apartments. And now just look at this mural. It's one of the most beautiful murals that I have ever seen. It reminds me of those murals, or those paintings, in fact, that you would find. In fact, it's a painting. Oh, wow, it's such a beautiful thing. It reminds me of those paintings, beautiful paintings that you would find at the Army Museum, not very far from here, in the Martyrs Memorial, Square. And okay, so these are the faces of some of the most prominent martyrs of the Algerian Liberation War. Completely to the right, there is L'Arbi ibn Mhidi, and then Colonel Amirouche. And by the way, the Amirouche apartment complex in Hussein is named after Colonel Amirouche, the second from the right. Hasib Abu Bouali is in the middle. Ali Lapointe is the fourth one from the right, and then we have this martyr here. Unfortunately, I can't remember his name. And well, and you can see here that everything in Algeria is celebrating the independence war as much as Americans celebrate their founding fathers, or other countries celebrate their independence heroes. So that's it. Yeah, such a beautiful place. I hope that there are yes. So this place here is like a breath of fresh air for local people, for local residents, and I hope that it always remains clean, and the benches are intact and they don't get vandalized. So, all right, that was me visiting this part of Madania, formerly known as Salembier, but today it's officially known as Madania. All right, Oh, and by the way, the Martyrs Memorial is just 100 yards away from here. It's on the right, if you want to visit it. Okay, take care of yourselves, drive safely, visit Algiers, and goodbye.